If you're over 50 and wake up every morning with aching joints, stiff muscles, and that burning pain that just won't go away, what I'm about to reveal might shock you. The solution isn't in another prescription bottle. It's hidden in an ancient tea that's been forgotten by modern medicine. But it's so powerful that recent studies are calling it nature's most potent anti-inflammatory weapon. But before I show you exactly what this tea is and how it can transform your body in ways you never thought possible, hit that like button right now, subscribe to Power of Teas, and turn on notifications. Because what you're about to discover could be the missing piece you've been searching for all these years. Here's what nobody tells you about turning 50. Your body starts producing more inflammatory compounds than ever before. It's called chronic inflammation, and it's silently attacking your joints, your muscles, your organs, and even your brain. This invisible enemy is the reason why you feel older than you actually are. Think about it. The stiffness when you get out of bed. The joint pain that makes climbing stairs feel like a mountain. The fatigue that hits you by mid-afternoon. That's not just age. That's inflammation taking over your body, cell by cell, day by day. And here's the terrifying part that most people don't realize. Chronic inflammation after 50 isn't just about pain. Medical researchers have linked it to almost every major age-related condition. Heart problems, cognitive decline, weakened immunity, even accelerated aging of your skin and organs. But what if I told you there's a way to fight back? What if there's a simple, natural solution that's been used for thousands of years, that costs almost nothing, and that you can start using today? Deep in ancient medicinal traditions, there existed a powerful knowledge that modern medicine somehow forgot. Healers discovered that certain plants, when combined in a specific way, could reduce inflammation more effectively than anything else in nature. They didn't have laboratories or clinical trials, but they had something more valuable. Centuries of observation and wisdom passed down through generations. Now, here's where it gets fascinating. Recent scientific studies from major universities have finally proven what these ancient healers knew all along. They've identified specific compounds in certain plants that target inflammation at the cellular level, turning off the inflammatory response like flipping a switch. But here's what almost nobody knows. The most powerful anti-inflammatory tea isn't just one ingredient. It's a precise combination that creates something called a synergistic effect. This means the ingredients work together to multiply their benefits, making the tea exponentially more powerful than any single herb alone. And the best part, you probably have access to these ingredients right now. You might even have them in your kitchen, sitting there unused, while your body is crying out for their healing power. Thousands of people over 50 have already discovered this tea and are experiencing something remarkable. They're waking up without pain. They're moving freely again. They're feeling energy they haven't felt in years. And they're doing it all naturally, without side effects, without prescriptions, without expensive treatments. So what is this powerful tea that's transforming lives after 50? It's the combination of turmeric and ginger, two of nature's most potent anti-inflammatory warriors, enhanced with black pepper to unlock their full potential. Now, I know what you might be thinking. You've heard about turmeric before. But listen carefully, because what I'm about to explain changes everything you thought you knew about this ancient root. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, and scientists have discovered that it works by blocking specific molecules in your body that trigger the inflammatory response. It literally stops inflammation before it can damage your cells. But here's the secret that makes all the difference. Curcumin on its own is poorly absorbed by your body. Most of it passes through without doing anything. That's where the magic combination comes in. When you add fresh ginger, you're introducing gingerol, another powerful anti-inflammatory compound that attacks inflammation from a completely different angle. Ginger reduces pain signals and improves circulation, helping healing compounds reach every part of your body. But the real game changer is black pepper. It contains piperine, a compound that increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. That's not a typo, 2,000%. This means your body can actually use the healing power that turmeric offers, instead of wasting it. Clinical studies have shown that people who consume this combination daily experience significant reductions in joint pain, improved mobility, better sleep quality, and enhanced overall well-being. Some participants reported feeling like they'd turned back the clock by 10 or even 20 years. Here's exactly how to make this life-changing tea. The preparation matters because you want to maximize the anti-inflammatory benefits. Start with 1 cup of hot water, just below boiling. Add half a teaspoon of ground turmeric or a small piece of fresh turmeric root, about the size of your thumb. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger or a thin slice of fresh ginger root. This is important. Add a tiny pinch of black pepper, just enough to barely taste it. That's your absorption multiplier. Let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes. The longer steep time allows the compounds to fully release into the water. You can add a squeeze of lemon for flavor and additional anti-inflammatory vitamin C. A small amount of honey makes it more enjoyable while adding its own soothing properties. Drink this tea once or twice daily, preferably in the morning to start your day with reduced inflammation, and in the evening to support overnight healing and recovery. The key is consistency. Your body needs time to reduce the accumulated inflammation, so commit to drinking this tea daily for at least 7 to 14 days. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and not immediately feeling that familiar ache in your knees. Imagine standing up without that stiffness. Imagine going through your entire day with energy that doesn't fade, with joints that move smoothly, with a body that feels young again. This isn't fantasy. This is what happens when you give your body the natural anti-inflammatory support it's been desperately needing. Every cup of this tea is working at the cellular level, quieting inflammation, supporting healing, and helping your body function the way it was designed to. People who've made this tea part of their daily routine report incredible changes. Less pain within days, improved mobility within weeks, better sleep, clearer thinking, more energy, and a genuine feeling of vitality they thought was gone forever. The beauty of this natural approach is that it works with your body, not against it. No side effects, no interactions, no risks, just pure natural healing that's been trusted for thousands of years and now validated by modern science. You've just discovered one of nature's most powerful secrets for fighting inflammation and reclaiming your vitality after 50. Now, it's time to take action. Make this tea tomorrow morning. Feel the difference for yourself. Give your body 7 days of consistent use and pay attention to how you feel. If you want to continue discovering natural secrets that can transform your health and help you age powerfully, hit that like button right now and subscribe to Power of Teas. Every video on this channel is designed to give you one more tool for living longer, stronger, and healthier. And here's what I want you to do right now in the comments. Type, "I'm ready to fight inflammation naturally," if you're committed to trying this tea. When you share your intention publicly, you're 300% more likely to follow through. So drop that comment, let me know you're taking control of your health, and let's build a community of people who choose nature's power over pharmaceutical dependence. The secret to aging well isn't hidden in expensive treatments or complicated protocols. It's sitting in your kitchen, waiting to be discovered. It starts with one simple cup of tea, and it ends with you feeling more alive than you have in years. The choice is yours. The power is in your hands. All you have to do is take that first sip.